Hi, my name is Lucia Torres Manongol, 44 years old, graduated Business Administration at London Chambers of Commerce and Industry in Singapore. And I got also my certificate in Business Practice, Information Communication Technology at the same school. I got also my certificate as Nursing Assistant course and Virtual Assistant course. My background way back in my country, I was started working as administrative assistant at Silver Star Construction. After a few years working with that company, I got another job which is marketing assistant, and then after a few months working as marketing assistant, I got my promotion as marketing supervisor. But then I've decided to work in abroad. I look after an elderly couple in Singapore, which is the businessman also. They're running a business in Singapore. I became their personal caregiver and personal assistant. They are parents of a doctor. I look after them until both couple are passed away. Now I'm working here in Hong Kong. I look after an elderly man which is stroke and having a pacemaker in the heart. I became his caregiver at the same time personal assistant because the old man whom I look after is running his business. So my contract is about to be finished, and those employer who are looking for a caregiver and at the same time personal assistant with your business, feel free to approach me.